Hi everyone, myself D. Ashok Kumar from Tribal Department. Today topic black diagram of a DC power supply. Black diagram description of a DC power supply. Introduction to DC power supply. A DC power supply is a device that converts alternating current AC into direct current DC. It provides a constant and steady flow of electrical energy to power electronic devices. The black diagram of a DC power supply consists of several components that work together to convert and regulate the input voltage. Transformer. What is transformer? The transformer is the first component in a DC power supply black diagram. It steps down the high voltage AC input to a lower voltage AC. It consists of primary and secondary windings wrapped around a core made of magnetic material. What is rectifier? The rectifier converts the AC voltage from the transformer into a pulsating DC voltage. It uses diodes to allow the flow of current in only one direction. The rectifier can be either a half wave or a full wave rectifier depending on the design. Filter. The filter is used to smooth out of the pulsating DC voltage from the rectifier. It removes the unwanted AC ripple and produces a more stable DC output. The most common type of filter is a capacitor filter, which charges during the peak of the rectified voltage and discharges during the low voltage periods. What is voltage regulator? The voltage regulator is responsible for maintaining a constant DC output voltage. It compensates for variations in the output voltage, load, current, and temperature. The two main types of voltage regulators used in DC power supplies are linear and switching regulations. Linear regulator. A linear regulator uses a series transistors to regulate the output voltage. It operates by dissipating excess power as heat, resulting in lower efficiency. Linear regulators are simple, reliable and suitable for low power applications. What is switching regulator? A switching regulator uses switches and inductors to regulate the output voltage. It operates by rapidly switching the output voltage on and off and then filtering to it produce the desired DC output. Switching regulators are more efficient than linear regulators but can be more complex. In this diagram, switching regulators operating modes. In this diagram, main capacitor, inductor, load, V output. The frequency is fixed, but the pulse width charges changes to control the output voltage. The pulse which is fixed, but the frequency changes to control the output voltage. What is output stage? The output stage of a DC power supply is responsible for delivering the regulated DC voltage to the read. It may include additional components such as voltage dividers, current limiters, or protection circuits. The output stage ensures that the voltage and current supplied to the load are within the specified limits. In the above diagram, DC regulator power supply circuit diagram. What is control circuit? The control circuit monitors and adjusts the output voltage of the DC power supply. It compares the actual output voltage with a reference voltage and provides feedback to the voltage regulator. The control circuits ensure the stability and accuracy of the output voltage. Conclusion. A DC power supply black diagram consists of a transformer, rectifier, filter, voltage regulator, output stage, and control circuit. It controls It converts AC input voltage to a regulated DC output voltage for powering electronic devices. Understanding the block diagram helps in troubleshooting and designing efficient power supplies. In this diagram, point P in AC supply. Thank you, sir.